In this tutorial, we'll explore how to use Add to Shelf in NotebookOS to keep your important NotebookLM artifacts easy to find. When you generate artifacts in NotebookLM, such as reports, audio overviews, mind maps, flashcards, quizzes, slides, they can become hard to find later, especially if you work across many notebooks. NotebookOS solves this with Artifact Shelf. First, open a NotebookLM artifact you want to keep. If NotebookOS detects that artifact, you'll see an option to add it to your shelf. Click Add to Shelf. NotebookOS saves a shortcut to that artifact, including useful details like the artifact title, artifact type, notebook name, and date. This does not move or duplicate the artifact. The artifact still belongs to NotebookLM. NotebookOS simply creates a local shelf so you can find important outputs faster. To view your saved artifacts, go back to your NotebookLM library and open Artifact Shelf from the NotebookOS toolbar. Here, you'll see the artifacts you've pinned across your notebooks. You can scan them by title, type, notebook, and date. Then click Open to jump back to the original artifact. Use Artifact Shelf for outputs you expect to return to, such as final reports, high-quality audio overviews, useful mind maps, slide decks, or anything you plan to share or reuse. With Add to Shelf, NotebookOS gives your best NotebookLM artifacts a dedicated place to live.